2-minute Tai Chi course. Introduction. Are you searching for a practice that relieves stress while enhancing your overall well-being? Discover why millions worldwide are turning to Tai Chi, ancient Eastern wisdom that's now trending on YouTube. Recently, YouTube hot searches like Mindfulness Movement, Impact exercise, and stress relief workouts have been dominating feeds. These are exactly what Tai Chi delivers. In this video, my student and I will show you how Tai Chi improves balance and flexibility, perfect for those with sedentary lifestyles, reduces cortisol levels through slow, deep breathing, equipment-free full-body practice, aligning perfectly with the home workout trend. Moving meditation benefits training, focus, and coordination simultaneously. Science confirms that practicing Tai Chi 3 times weekly significantly improves sleep, reduces anxiety, and boosts immunity. In the post-pandemic era, this holistic health approach is being rediscovered globally. Why our course stands out: step-by-step lessons ideal for complete beginners, real teacher-student interactions, see tangible progress, blends traditional wisdom with modern science. Each session includes clear takeaway benefits, whether you seek joint-friendly exercise, improved mental clarity, or simply a sustainable lifelong health habit. Tai Chi is the perfect starting point. Subscribe to our channel and join this journey toward balance. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Tell us in the comments what you'd like to focus on in our next lesson.